Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. And to get started, you'll want to open up the standalone contacts app located in the Google folder. From here, go to three bars and settings. At the bottom you will find the import option, and from the options there you have the SIM card. Select it, tap on OK, and you should see all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So from here, by default they're all selected, so you will have to deselect ones that you might not want by simply tapping on them, and from there tap on the check mark and you will see X amount of SIM contacts imported, and if we go back, there they are. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.